So in this problem, we have to determine the components of reaction at the fixed support A. Neglectingness of the B. So, natin pipiliin na natin na A. Tapos, kung siya ito ang B. Actually, horizontal na may curves. Tapos, yung vertical is 1. Nasa 3 meters niya po ng total. Tapos, nasa 200 newtons kada distance sa 1 meter. Then, natin siya force pagulong sa opos na 400 newton with angle of 30 degrees. So, pag-solve na ito sa fx is kailangan pagpunta na itong ax. So, natay 400 since x axis na siya. So, cosine 30 ang ginagamit. So, itong ax is 346.4 Newton. So, ito ang equal po itong pangitaw itong ay change lang ax. So, ay minus sa 200 na force tas total niya na distance. So, 3 minus 400 na Newton force. Sine tayo sa 36 ay man siya. So, ang ay is 800 Newton. Next na itong pag-solve is ang summation of MA. So, itong MA minus 200 ano sila 200 times 2.5 minus 200 times 3.5 tapos minus 200 times 4.5 minus na tuloy na ito siya sa 430 times 4.5 minus 400 cosine 30 times 3 sine 60. So, ang MA is 3,090 Newton.
Asa na po ang 2.5, 3.5 o 4.5 na distance?
So, pagkuha na ito kanila, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, kaya ko nila na 60 degree. Since 200 man, pa-counterclockwise, so paano siya? Paano? So, ito 200, bali, ang pag-solve nito is 200 sa distance na ito na 3 tapos cosine 60 plus 1 ang pag-ibutang kay Kumod ani delita so 1 kanto 2.5 ang ako ang 60 pag-abot mo dili 3.5 ito na pala yung katang dili ito kaya paano naman sa siya kaya pala pambasilan sa balik kanina pag-abot sa 4.5 dili na ito so 3 na po nila so compute lang nila ito kami silang 3 cosine 60 plus katong 1, 2, 3 nga distance na ito solve nila ano din nila ang magawas since wala na siya namin kay kami siya ang angle lang siya So ang pinapangtang sa tuwang sa mission sa tong courses is yung course, so dili na to kailangan ko pang angle, so ang distance at ang ibutang, so muna sila.
So we have here our fundamental problem 5-5. So the 25 kilogram bar has a center of mass at G. If it is supported by a smooth peg at C, a roller at A, and cord AB, determine the reactions at these ports. So we have here our diagram. So in this statement, we have 24 kilogram of mass in our point G. So we need to multiply it by its constant gravity, which is 9.81. And we need to get its angle from point G to point C, from its cord that connected from point A to point B. So we have here our 60-degree angle from G and C. And next we need to get the angle of point A. So we have here the 30 degrees angle from support A, we have a 30 degrees angle, and from this support A to its cord that connected to support B, we have its angle which is 15 degrees. So first we need to solve for its moment. So we assume counterclockwise is positive. Summation of moment is equal to 0. So moment A, from moment A, support A, we have a distance of 0.7. So we need to multiply it, then minus the given mass, which is 25 kilogram, and multiply it by 9.81 constant gravity, and multiply it again with its length, which is 0.5. Then its angle, which is cosine 30 degrees. So equals 0, and we have here our moment A is 151.71 Newton. And for summation of moment of forces along the x-axis, we have here from cable AB cosine 50 degrees minus our moment A 151.71 and its angle cosine 60. So we have here our cable A is equals to cable AB is equals to 78.53 Newton. And for our summation of forces along the y-axis, we have here AY plus our cable AB 78.5 and its angle from the cable we have here sine 50 degrees plus our moment A which is 151.71 sine 60 minus the given mass which is 25 and multiplied by 9.81 meter per second squared. And here we have our AY 23.54 Newton.
Ano 9.81 sa protein?
So, una na ay 9.21 dire kay naman tayo mass which is 25 kilogram. And sa kanina problem, ang 25 kilogram is ang weight aning bar which is the elevate. So, kung mag-elevate man siya, na siya ay gravity. So, ang formula man aning is mass times gravity. Ang constant gravity man is 9.81 meter per second squared. So, mo na itong i-multiply na ito siya. Then, itong i-distribute sa itong moment o itong summation of moment of x and y.